Hi students, today we are going to discuss core banking solutions. Introduction. Today, banking as a business has grown tremendously and transformed itself from only a deposit taking and loan providing system to an institution which provides an entire gamut of products and services under a wide umbrella. All such activities commenced by a bank is called core banking. Next, what is core banking? This is a centralized system that is established by a bank which allows its customers to conduct their business irrespective of the bank's branch. It removes the impediments of geo-specific transactions. Core banking. So core is a CORE is an acronym for Centralized Online Real-Time Exchange. The bank can access applications from centralized data centers. Other than retail banking customers, core banking is now also being extended to address the requirements of corporate clients and providing a comprehensive banking solutions. Some of the advantages of core banking solutions are improved operations which address customer demands and industry consolidation, eradicating errors caused by multiple entries, and easy ability to introduce new financial products and manage changes in existing products, and also seamless merging of back office data and self-service operations. So these are the advantages offered by the core banking solutions to the bank. Some of the features of core banking solutions are customer onboarding, managing deposits and withdrawals, transactions management, interest calculations and management, payment processing, customer relationship management, designing new banking products, loans dispersal and management, establishing criteria for minimum balances, interest rates, number of withdrawals allowed, and so on. Main advantages of core banking are the entire range of banking products including savings, deposits accounts, etc. are available from any locations. Accessibility through multiple channels including mobile banking and web services. Accurate, timely and actionable information about customer relations that can be sent by the bank to the customers at any time. Single view between bank customers. And then redefining the concept of anywhere, anytime banking. Let me conclude core banking solutions. Core banking system provides integrated solutions for retail banking, corporate banking, as well as supporting trade finance and loan management. It is an enterprise banking solution that enables banks to provide a full range of banking services and content to customers with different user profiles efficiently and reliably. Thank you.